Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a culture free MU who loves to play with makeup and of course has a lot of cats that do show up a lot. But yeah, and of course you've been here before, welcome back. So yeah, if you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos. So today's video is actually a first impression of BH Cosmetics BFF Shadow Palette. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. This is not actually my first time working with BH, actually not say working, but trying out BH Cosmetics. I always want to try their zodiac sign ones. I always want to try everyone I can get up, which I can get of everyone palettes. But they also, what they're coming out is the birthstones, which I do like the color schemes, but I don't like how they're placed, I should say. But yeah, but this one, I'm working with this one. This is actually a collab with Alondra and Elsy. So it comes with this, which is beautiful. I love, there's 20 eyeshadows here. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 eyeshadow, matte eyeshadows, matte eyeshadows. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 shimmers, which that's really pretty. I really like this. There's like if you're new here, I like to get a palette that I like to get a color in the palette, and I will definitely use it. But I want to get a palette that I don't have eyeshadow that I like, color I like. Why I wanted this was this color right here, in Salvadorina. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I'm bad. That's okay. And Malibu. Those are two colors I really like. But as I look at it, also You're Sick. That's really pretty. As I look at it more and more, I'm really liking this palette for the summer to all year round, basically. So yes, there's a wiggle mirror. So I really do like that. I think it has a duochrome in here, so I'm gonna swatch these. I usually don't do swatches, but for this video I'm going to do it. All the shadows on my arm, you can tell the pigment is so good. There's only one shade you probably will never see on my skin tone. I'm thinking it's the peach right here. Good transition shade. And you do have one duochrome. It's called Messy right here. It has a gold and green shift to it a little bit, which is really cute. But that's my whole entire arm. So that's really interesting. The red is really pigmented. Definitely the browns are really pigmented. The blues are pigmented. Yeah. So these are really pretty. The shimmers are really buttery. I love it. And I'm going to clean this up because if I don't, it's gonna be messy on me. And I really am not in the mood to take a shower. So we're just gonna do that. So it has a nice good sized mirror to it, but I won't be using it, so I'm gonna put you a little bit closer for you guys. So yeah. So I'm very excited. So of course I'm gonna show you and everything else. And Bon Appetit is a good shade to start with. So what brush I'm going to use is this kind of brush, and for me, I do want to use the darker colors, but for spring and everything else, I might go a little bit. So I don't know yet. I'll have to pick which colors I want to use. So peach. I'm going to use peach. Just a little bit. This shade right here. Peach. Definitely a peach undertone. I'm going to use a small handheld mirror so I can see, not me looking at down constantly. So we're gonna as you can see, there's not really much a difference too much. Actually, you can see a little bit of peach, but that's about it. Really, really good. I would say use a white undertone. Okay, white undertone. White base for this, especially. Okay. And then I'll make sure I have the brushes in. Okay. I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to go with Malibu, who is this nice printed with gold color right here. Started this right here. It is. So that's going to be really pretty. So I'm just going to blend this out a little bit, see what comes. Yeah. It's definitely a pastel shade. Like you can't really see it unless you really see it. So this one, it might work for darker skin tones than me. So I want to let you know. You are darker than me, medium to darker. This shadow will probably work for you more than for me. So I'm actually just going to use this as a buffering color. Because you can use this as like a blue. Base under it, so that will work. Like you can really see it. Like this is definitely a pastel to me. So if you need to, use a white base if you're lighter than me. If you're darker than me and everything, this will work as a whatever color you want to use. But it's getting there by just keeping it right there. Just gonna be simple. I'm not going to do dramatic, maybe. But right there, it's really good. So my house is getting really hot. So air conditioner, so I'm like a little bit sweating. So I'm just going to do this in real time. Now, then I'm going to work with darker, a little bit darker colors, just to. I want to use Virgo or You're Sick, but I really want to go Virgo with a flat brush because that would be cool to do. Why not? I'm going to use Virgo. Actually, one of the signs too. Right here. Sorry. There you go. Right this color. It's a really buttery shimmer, as I swatched it. So really pretty. It picked up really good. No problem. So we're gonna use this. Oh, it's a duochrome too. It has like a gold. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It's a little bit fallout. Oh my I'm glad I chose the highlighter. This has a duochrome. I did not see it when I was swatching it, so that's something. It's like, oh my god, so pretty. Pairing that with how wet. That is so pretty. It has like a light gold color. Like, I'll imagine this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. Like, definitely perfect around this time. Like, it has a nice like a gold. Like, it's like so pretty. I don't know how to describe it. It's so pretty. Like, imagine this to be a dress of Cinderella. Sorry, my little problem with my armor that I use for swatches for this channel. Oh my gosh. I think this will work. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm just using 3 colors because I really don't want to do more than I need to. With that shade by itself, it's gorgeous. Like, I don't know if you can really see it or anything like that, but in person, oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, that's this nice shift color, like it's gold and blue. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I didn't like how it looked. It's like really shimmery blue, but you put it on, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Ooh, I'm gonna go with a darker color underneath my eye. Okay, I'm gonna use Malibu again. This. I'm glad that I used like my champagne, my highlight and BonBon from AOA Studio, because I think that would be perfect. I think this shadow is pretty. I mean, perfect around this time. I'm gonna go use that same brush just a little bit, like putting gold. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna use this from Jumbo. I should say from NYX. Like, I wish I had like a nice. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's not the best gold highlighter that I have, but it will do because that's really pretty. I wish I had the gold eyeliner. So I'm going to finish up my face and everything and be back with this first impression and give you more of what I'm thinking right now. But hopefully what I'm thinking is good. So yeah, so after the finished look I did with the white eyeliner, I thought it would be perfect for this because why not? This palette, I cannot wait to play with it more. Okay, my first impression, it's really easy to blend. That shade Virgo, such a gorgeous look. I mean, eyeshadow. I mean, I did not think that shadow, as I was watching it, is such a beautiful color. Cannot wait to play with that duochrome color and messy. I think this would be perfect for the brown shades in a little bit. But this is a pretty palette. I think this collab with Alondra and Elsy, or Elsy? Elsy. I think it is Elsy. With BFF Alondra, I think BH Cosmetics did an awesome job. Let me do this. Did an awesome job with this palette, including, I think, the colors. I think you can tell this shadow is definitely, what I'm thinking, I think this is if you're best friends and everything, this palette, like with your best friend, this is really great, because you can tell one of them is like really warm than everything else, and they like colorful, sultry looks and everything else, and to me that's just gorgeous. And this eyeshadow look is so gorgeous, like perfect around this time. And I really like this eyeliner I got from Hard Candy, but oh my gosh, I really do like this palette, and I think they did a really beautiful job. So if you guys want me to do a 3-look video with this look, with these eyeshadow palette, I will definitely do that. I want to play so many colors with this, because I wish I could play with all of them. And I love how this says this, all eyes on you, babe. And to me, that's such true. I like that. I wish I could have gotten the face palette and the lipsticks and everything else, but no matter what, this palette is all for it. If you will never try BH Cosmetics, this is your first time you want to try a collab, I think this would work for you. If you're light skin, medium skin, and dark skin, oh my gosh, this palette will be working for you, because I think these shades won't be as ashy at all. But I will say, use a white base if you want these the Malibu Baby E, no, not Baby E, Peach, and Bon Appetit. I did it backwards, upside down. I think you would need a white base or any kind of base you have. But I think this would be perfect for everybody's skin tone. I think this will work on everybody's skin tone. So yeah, I really love the highlight. I'm glad I picked the highlights I did, because usually my highlights I pick could be like, my BonBon is such a neutral highlighter, and I really love it because it does have that gold undertone with the silver underneath it, so that will work. I mean, like this. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Hit the like button if you did. If you haven't already and you already finished it and you want more reviews like this, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this more, everything else, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna get going and just have a little fun. For makeup looks not well, might as well, you know. And guys, I love you.